Are you having this problem with your door? I'm gonna show you how to fix it. To fix this door, I guess not closing issue, we're going to apply motor oil. You can apply any kind of motor oil. This is just a typical 10 W30, but it could be any grade. And we are applying it on both sides to the ball. So there's a ball here on the top. So on the top of this, there's a ball, and we're going to apply it all over the ball. And then we're also going to apply it there on the catcher. Okay. Wow, what a difference. Okay. That's it, folks. Motor oil to fix this kind of door right here with the with whatever you call it, like a round thing on the top, so that it'll close better. You just use motor oil. Don't use WD-40 because it will dry up. Motor oil will stay much longer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find this useful. Please give it a thumbs up so other people can discover it. And if you find this kind of content useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you
for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.